How to pin a folder to the taskbar in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This tutorial shows you how to get quick access without opening File Explorer every time. First, right-click on the folder you want to pin. From there, check if Pin to Taskbar appears directly in that right-click menu, since this varies depending on your Windows version. After that, if you don't see that option, you'll need to create a shortcut instead. At this point, right-click on the folder again, then click Create Shortcut. Following this, right-click on that newly created shortcut. From here, click Properties. At this stage, in the Target field, before the existing path, type explorer.exe, followed by a space, then leave the rest of the path exactly as it is. Following this, click OK to save that change. From here, right-click on the shortcut again. At this stage, click Show More Options. You should now see Pin to Taskbar appear as an option, since Windows recognizes it as an application shortcut instead of a plain folder link. Following this, click Pin to Taskbar. Once pinned, clicking that icon opens the folder instantly, without needing to dig through File Explorer first. That's how you pin a folder to the taskbar in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!